Well, today was new gear time. I did manage to snap that one off and get a replacement. That's for the other one. And this wasn't too bad because the new one came in. These actually are 2mm set screws. And these are, the original ones are 1.5, but doesn't matter. The shaft is the same. So I was just able to pop this guy out, and on the new replacement, unscrew this, take this out, and slide it onto on the other shaft. So that took a few seconds. That wasn't too bad. Front nose gear, yeah, that was a pain in the butt because that shaft, I had to cut this one off because it's so bent I can get it out, is all the way in here. So in order to get this shaft out, I had to obviously take this all out, but I had to take the retracts completely apart, and there's a C-clip holding this, at the end, C-clip at the end, holding it inside here. So yeah, that one took a little bit, but they're back, and just gonna put the doors back on and send it for a flight. New gear. Yeah. Worried about this hobby. Stop showering, well, every other day now. Not bad. Just keep flying all day. Yeah. Why is the flash on? We don't need that. Okay. Up we go. Yeah, could have been worse, yeah. Too hot. Tough to judge that. You know, coming at you, no way to abort. Yeah, plane kind of too big for this shit. Yeah, we got better that landing. That wasn't satisfactory. Yeah, now I care about safety. Flying in my neighborhood. Good enough. Let's check the 400-foot ceiling warning. Up, up, and away. Yeah, fix that muffler. 402. actually was a good landing. You know, I had to flare. Still have some runway. I should flip the camera, but maybe you don't want to see it. But I will, I'll edit that later. Yep. Maybe I'll put up a net. Yeah, maybe won't be showing this video.